If you think building a complex app takes weeks of coding and back-end nightmares, think again. I just used agentic AI to build a full-featured Christmas storytelling app in minutes. This isn't a prototype, it's a full production app that writes totally unique custom Christmas stories on demand using the power of Gemini API and Firebase no-code. You give it a few details and the AI crafts a perfect personalized tale. And my personal favorite, the text-to-speech read aloud feature. So the app can literally tell the story to you and your loved ones. I'll even show you the critical API error fix that stops most developers in their tracks. So stick around. By the end of this video, you have the skill to build any app you can imagine in no time. Let's get to it. Now, I've taken a screenshot of the features section and I'll give it a new prompt. Give the features section cards a soft background color and hover effect color. And there is the screenshot I provided. Okay, it has given a soft background color. I think we can work with this. And our hero section image has been customized now and it has a better fit in the screen. I will have some hover effect to the button colors. I will have a liquid glass effect in the background of the nav bar. You can see some blurry liquid glass effect. And we can change the color themes as well and check it out. So everything looks pretty organized. Let's refresh our web page and check it out as well. So everything looks placed pretty nicely. Now we can make one last tweak. Let's go to Gemini and generate a befitting Christmas themed image for our hero section. In Gemini, I'll first of all give some context about the app I'm trying to build so that when generating the image for the hero section, it should make it tailored to the details of our app. I'm working on building an app in Firebase Studio with app name Storytime AI powered Christmas Storyteller. Asked me to provide text containing features of this app, so it has asked and I provided the features of this app so that you best understand what I need and provide a befitting image. Now I'll go ahead to provide my prompt for our hero section image. So here's my prompt. Provide a befitting Christmas themed catchy image that invokes curiosity for this app hero section image. So here it is confirming it has gotten what we intend to provide and it needs some confirmation. So I'll go ahead to say use Imagine to provide a befitting Christmas themed catchy image that invokes curiosity for this app hero section. So I'm readjusting my prompt to make sure it understands I need an image. It says okay, let's create that image. Okay, looks awesome. So this concept looks pretty nice. It shows a reader being wowed by the stories coming out from the Storyteller app. And here we can remove the caption text at the top since we just need the image and we have the caption text on our hero section. And I'll send a prompt, remove the heading text. Awesome. And we can make one last tweak and see what we get. So in addition to the current figure in the image, we can also add an adult in the poster feeling amazed. Awesome. This looks pretty perfect and we can use this for our hero section. I'll download and head back to our prototyping agent. So back to the prototyping agent, I'm saying add a feature where I can click on the hero section image and choose an image from my device storage and replace the hero section image so that we can replace with the image we just generated using Gemini. Okay, so now we have an option here to choose and replace image. I'll quickly choose the image I just downloaded and replace, and here we have it. Looks pretty awesome. Let's check it out on our web view as well. This is cool but looks too big for our need. We can recustomize the placeholder. In my prompt, I'm saying customize the hero section image placeholder to have a perfect square orientation. Since our image is square, we should have a placeholder that is square as well so that it will not crop out some sections of our image and reduce the message. Okay, I think this should be better. Yes, I think this looks pretty awesome. And let's check it out on the web browser as well. And there we go. This looks pretty catchy. And I believe on a mobile device, since this is square, it will display even better on a mobile device. Looks pretty awesome. And at this point, we are done with our landing page and we can proceed to check out the actual features of our Storytime AI-powered Christmas storyteller. So I'll click on Start Crafting Your Story. And here we have it. We can check out the theme modes. So this is how it displayed at first before we added the option to choose between modes. And here we have the display. Let's check it out from the top. So it has the name Storytime, your AI-powered Christmas storyteller. Then it shows here, create your story. What should the story be about? Here we can input our prompt. We can choose between tones, okay, whimsical, scary, heartwarming, funny, nice. For the mood, we can choose between cozy, adventurous, mysterious, festive. Sounds pretty nice as well. And it shows here, need some inspiration. We have some sample ideas here. A cynical elf discovers a talking snowman who has lost his memory and must help him recover it before Christmas morning. Oh, sounds like a nice rush. Next, Santa gets stuck in a dimension where Christmas never existed and a group of children must teach the inhabitants about his joy to free him. Okay, and let's check out one of the stories here. I'll start from the top. Okay, so it gives sample prompts you can select and it fills in, then we can generate story. Let's see what we get. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's read out the story and see what we get. So your story, whimsical, cozy. In a cozy little town blanketed in thick snow where gingerbread houses puffed cinnamon scented smoke from their chimneys, a truly curious thing happens on Christmas Eve. It all started when a cynical elf discovers a talking snowman who has lost his memory and must help him recover it before Christmas morning. The air, already sparkling with frost, was suddenly filled with an even more whimsical, cozy feeling. The carolers paused mid-song, their eyes wide with wonder, and even the grumpy old cat next door perked up its ears. What followed was a Christmas tale nobody in town would ever forget. And we can click on creating another story. That sounds pretty nice. Let's check out the read aloud and see this feature. Oh, and it works. We just created something awesome, magical for the Christmas season. Bet you. And if you can check in here, it highlights the various texts showing the current position where it's reading. I can't wait to listen to stories with family and friends. And you can check out the link to this app as well and get a fun-filled Christmas experience with a storyteller app. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you think this is magical, unique, and awesome. And let's proceed to check out how this text changes when we change the various theme modes. And I've paused and we have an option to resume from where we left off. This is quite magical. Okay, you can better see the display here showing the current text position while it is playing, and we can start again to read aloud, and it highlights the various sections where it is currently reading. And this is powerful. We can click on create another story. Let's choose another mode. Let's choose something funny and festive. So when we choose the mode, it provides us with the sample prompts. So here is my new prompt. A story about me, the creator of this app, Firebase Prototyping Agent, and my amazing YouTube viewers. So we are giving Firebase Prototyping Agent is crazy for building this app with us, and you amazing YouTube viewer. And let's make it heartwarming and festive, and let's generate story. Okay, here we have our custom story, heartwarming and festive. Okay, let's check this out. I'll first of all read it and we can check the read aloud option. So it says, it was a Christmas that promised to be lonely, with the snow falling outside like a quiet curtain on the wall. But a small act of kindness from me, the creator of this app, Firebase Prototyping Agent, and my amazing YouTube viewers, changed everything. A truly heartwarming and festive feeling began to spread like the warmth from crackling fireplace. It reminded everyone what the season was truly about. Not the presents under the tree, but the love we share. Oh, sounds sweet. This simple event connected hearts and created a Christmas memory that will be cherished for years to come. Oh, definitely, I'll cherish this moment for years to come. Do drop in the comment section what you think about this, and I will check out the read aloud option. And now let's check out the read aloud option. Let's put it in a dark mode and have some cozy vibe. And now I'll click on read aloud.
It was a Christmas that promised to be lonely, with the snow falling outside like a quiet curtain on the world. But a small act of kindness, from me, the creator of this app, Firebase prototyping agent, and my amazing YouTube viewers, changed everything. A truly heartwarming and festive feeling began to spread, like the warmth from a crackling fireplace. It reminded everyone what the season was truly about, not the presents under the tree, but the love we share. This simple event connected hearts and created a Christmas memory that would be cherished for years to come.
Wow, this is great. Sounds amazing. And I'll switch back the theme mode, and this is just quite what we need, and we can head back to the landing page. So we have been wowed, as well as the poster showing these readers being wowed by the story coming up from our storyteller app. Okay, so back to our prototyping agent. I'll make this app public and check it out with my mobile device and see what we get. So I'll quickly make preview public. Next up, it shows preview currently visible to anyone with the link below. And next up, I can scan with my mobile device, which I'll do right away. I'm currently scanning. So here we go. We're on the landing page, and we can see our hero section image we just generated from Gemini. We have our various features here showing the AI powered story generation, customize your tale, text to speech. We can change the various theme modes. We're currently in dark mode as per my mobile device, and I can switch to light mode. Looks pretty amazing. Next up, we can click on get started or craft your story. On the laptop, I did click on start crafting your story. Now I'll click on get started. I'll first of all input my prompt, then proceed to generate the story. So here is my story caption or prompt: a story about me, the developer of this app, and my amazing YouTube viewers. Heartwarming this time, and the mood should be festive. And we have our sample prompts there, and I'll click on generate story, and here we have our story.
It was a Christmas that promised to be lonely, with the snow falling outside like a quiet curtain on the world. But a small act of kindness, when I, the developer of this app, received a flood of incredibly supportive and festive messages from my amazing YouTube viewers, changed everything. A truly heartwarming and festive feeling began to spread, like the warmth from a crackling fireplace. It reminded everyone what the season was truly about, not the presents under the tree, but the love we share. This simple event connected hearts and created a Christmas memory that would be cherished for years to come.
Sounds pretty awesome, and we can as well go further to change the voice, make it more human-like and everything. But for now, just being able to generate our custom story and being able to get it being read aloud, that goes a long way. And there it is, a fully functional, ready to share Christmas storyteller app built with zero code, all thanks to Gemini and Firebase Studio. If you found this quick build tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more agentic AI breakthroughs. Cheers!